What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Jay Cards here to open up this Kamen Rider Saber series, Kamen Rider Espada, Emblem, and his wonder book, Alangina, also known as Aladdin and Genie. We're going to get this bad boy open. Let's get started. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back and the side again. You want to check the bottom, check the top. Let's get this open. And here it is out of the box, still in the plastic. Let's get that out of there right now. Alright guys, here we got them out of the box. Let's take a good look at the emblem first. And we got it right here, the clear yellow plastic there. We got the green logo right there. He is the Thunder Swordsman, so we got like a little Thunder Lightning Strike right there. If you didn't know, this is for Kamen Rider Espada, played by Kento. Now let's get a good look at the book. All of these books are so beautiful. Wow. So we got the name of it right there. And this is the art. Got the genie in the lamp peeking through. We got the back right here. This is where you scan the sword. This is the on and off switch right here. We will take it out to make this book come to life. Here we go. Beautiful. And here we go. Press it quick. Aha. We're going to get them open, see what noises it makes when they open it to the first page. This is the art, and then when you press it all the way back. Beautiful. Got the words right there if you want to screenshot that or pause it. Take a look at that, see what it says. And take a good look at the art right here. Got the name right there. And we pretty much just got a lamp. Pretty nice right there. Now we're going to scan the emblem to the sword, and we're going to get this on the belt buckle to transform. Right now the sword is in Blazes mode, and we're going to get this emblem off. And we're going to scan the Thunder Swordsman's emblem to the sword so we can make it his sword. So here we go. Scan. Beautiful. It is bright yellow. Zoom in there. And we're going to plug it in. Fits there nicely. And again, show accurate, just not to size. Hit the trigger. Flashes into yellow. And now we're going to plug the sword in and get Alangina plugged in. We're going to plug them in. We got Alangina here. Gonna plug him into the last slot. That's where he belongs. And we're gonna pull him out. Transform. Beautiful. Let's get a good look at the art right here in the book. We got the genie right there coming out of the lamp. Wow, that looks amazing, guys. And now we're going to see our attacks. Plug them back in. Trigger once. Twice. And then once more. And that's about it right there, guys. Now we're going to take the book out to scan it 3 times right there on the tip of the sword. So here we go. Scan once. Scan twice. Scan 3 times. And the 3 slashes there. Now, same as the other ones, if you scan any other one, it will make just their noises and put on their color. Here we go. And we're going to get a quick look at 3 books together at the sword, see what noises this guy makes. Let's do that right now. And here we go, transform. Beautiful. Let's plug them back in. See the art all together. Beautiful as always. Attack 1. And attack 2. So awesome. So there you have it, guys. That is my review on Kamen Rider Espada, who is Kento the Thunder Swordsman, and the Lamto Alangina Wonder Ride book. On my next video, I will be reviewing this Wonder Rider sword driver holder and book holder that attaches to the belt buckle, and also the Jakonto Domenoki Wonder Ride book, which is basically Jack and the Beanstalk. That will be my next video. I want you guys to follow me right here on Instagram. I want you guys to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to be the first one to see my new content. I want to thank you all for joining. Stay safe, stay clean, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.